What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 10 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's 7:51 p.m. Friday, March 5th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. By the looks on my screen, it looks like that I didn't, but it's all good. A lot of different stocks were on sale this week, and I love it. Matter of fact, I hope we have another down week. But before we get into it, guys, if you want to help yourself out and sign up for Webull, you're going to get 2 free stocks. Click the link down below in the description to help yourself. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So as you can see, guys, on the screen, your boy's currently sitting at a $194 loss at the current time of this video. Current value is at 58.65.70, and I do have more stocks, guys, if you're new to the series, but this is only the ones that pertain to Chris Sain. And so you're gonna see 2 different numbers from the current value on this screen to the one on my app, which we'll get into here in a second. But just FYI, if you don't understand the reason why, that's the reason why. But just doing a deeper dive on this, guys. So APXT, again, it's currently sitting at 125 shares, and what I'm looking to do next week is actually buy 125 or get to 125 shares by buying 25 more shares of Tattooed Chef next week. So again, I hope we have another down week. I can get it on the low and load the boat, and then I'm really highly considering buying a call option on Jacque as well. Haven't decided yet, but it looks like I'm leaning toward that way. And also, too, before I go any further in the video, just want to give a quick shout out to my boy Chris Sain. He helped me fix this tracker to where it actually functions like the way it's supposed to. So Chris, can't thank you enough. I couldn't sleep because I was trying to figure out a way to get this thing going. So thank you so much, my man. Appreciate you as always. But yeah, so yeah, guys, again, buying 25 more shares of Tattooed Chef, and then possibly buying a Jacque option. And thank you guys for all the insight that you've been giving me in terms of what stocks are hot right now, or which ones are set to explode. CCIB was the top of the list. It seems like it was a common stock that everybody was kind of saying or touching on. And I've been looking at it for the past, I want to say 10 days, but I'm glad you guys mentioned it too, which means we're possibly onto something. So, and I'll show you guys CCIV here in a second when we dive into my app. But in terms of stocks, this is where I'm kind of sitting at. As you can see, all this red on the right side, almost all of it is down. I mean, it's pretty crazy. So, and also another thing too, I might dive into another sector, like the finance sector, to where it might not be as affected. But anyway, let's go into the options. So I had an option expire. This is my Dropbox option that I had. So the Dropbox expired the 5th, and I lost $127. So not looking good on that. So out of all the options that I've had so far, I'm basically broke even, essentially. Maybe out on top of this a little bit, but in my eye, it looks like I'm basically broke even so far. But I have 2 still in play. I have Genius Brands and Sundell Growers, and those 2 expire in 2022. So don't need to keep an eye on that as of right now. Still waiting to get out of this correction, aka recession or whatever, and then I'll pay more attention to it, because then when it hits over 100%, then I'm definitely going to start selling. I probably won't wait as long as 2022. But let's see. No deposits, no alerts. So I'm not even using this tab anymore, guys. I was using that before, but I'm not using this anymore. I'm using the Webull app to track my alerts moving forward. That way, if I'm doing something, it'll just pop up on my phone, and then I'll just know to scoop it up, or just, bypass it or whatever. But if you want to, you guys can just track this thing like I've been tracking it, all your alerts. But again, I just find it a lot easier and a lot better just to use the Webull app in order to track my alerts, like I showed you guys. I think it was like week 5 or 6 I showed you guys how to do that. But deposits, I haven't deposited anything. I need to actually build this one out right here, but I haven't deposited any cash this week. I plan on depositing probably like $1,000 next week or more. And again, as Chris says, you want to just deposit $500 every 2 weeks. But I might just go ahead and just put $1,000 down, and then just use that to do some more option plays. And if you have any more option plays, if you're in some option plays right now, please let your boy know. Comment down below what option plays either you're in or consider doing in the near future, and that way I can kind of like research the same thing as you guys, just like you guys just did with me with this one. So again, thank you guys again for helping your boy out with the options with the stocks of what's coming and what could be a home run, and super excited about next week again. And so let's go ahead and dive into my app, that way you guys can kind of see the details. All right guys, so we're on my Robinhood app, and your boy is sitting at $7,042.47, down for the week 7.17%. Not good. Buying power is at 308.14, and using my 2 option plays that I alluded to earlier, Sundial Growers and Genius Brands. And then these top ones are primarily ones that are not on this challenge. Again, I have a few of these things that are not pertaining to this, so FYI, that's why the numbers might seem a little different if you're new to the series. As I scroll down, you know, got APXT, my heavy hitters right now, APXT, Tattoo Chef, and Gnog. And got Workhorse, Hyliion, American, and Neo, Airbnb. And a Chris Sain watch list. So CCIV. As you can see, for the past 3 months, this is how it's looked. Gone up 150%. And see, high was 58.05. 52-week high 64.86. It's pretty crazy. So will it hit that or not? Again, once this thing is all over, that being a recession or a correction, I don't know. But a lot of good things are happening with this company when I was researching them. So this could be an option, a call option that I might get into, but and or a Palantir as well. So again, something to consider, guys, if you're looking for another play with a possible home run that Chris hasn't mentioned. Check out CCIV and do your due diligence in researching them, and let me know what you guys think on that as well. But that is all I have, guys, for this video. If you like the video, give your boy the thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.